Bakaluba Syria wanyoko. Have respect. When you call me, it's my fucking phone. I pay for it. You're not my father. You're not my husband. I don't even give 2 cents about you. When you call my phone, let me talk. Because it's my damn phone. Sikubidde manya kwerere. Omanya abasajja abasiramu balina akamanyiiro. Era nze manyi Bakaluba, he was not that bad. What pissed him off, maybe he lost ego. I mean, I think it was out of ego, you know. Nga ayagala okulaga abantu oyo nyinza omukaka nyati Bakaluba toyina kyosobola kunkola nakikugamba. Era after that, everyone was like, hey, Hajji Bakaluba, by the way, it brewed a lot of hostility for me. My lawyers know. Era when he wrote, and I don't know who advised him, that was a smart move. Writing to me, that was a smart move. And people were like, Kate, Kakolechi, do this and this and this. Bakaluba, wait, Achigwani. They were gurumiza. Yeah? And of course, government here that people think when a person has money, they get away with everything. I don't care how much money anybody has. You don't feed me. You know, so do not intimidate me, do not threaten me. Yeah, that was, and then nampandikire Chibaluwa, which was good, nachifuna. Chibaluwa nga angamba mwogerako bubi, muharasinga, I should stop. That time when he wrote that Chibaluwa to me, twali tukyamwogerako. That's why I say he likes chasing clout. Twali tukyamwogera. Nampereza ekibaluwa. Ekibaluwa, which was meant for me. But he's an attention seeker. It was meant for me. He got that same letter and gave it to bloggers. What was the purpose of giving it to bloggers? Because that's an official document meant for me, my lawyer, and you. So, Mr. Bakaluba, I'm sorry to let you know that you think you're smart, but you're very stupid. Because by law, that is even illegal. You do not, because that document had my personal information. It had my personal address, my former address, and my current address, and it was published on the internet.
Wow.
So I'm sorry to say nti always abantu babera baloza nti balina amagezi. Nenga, you know.
Wow.
Yeah.